Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a custom 28-foot T9 HD Deckover tilt. The T9 features a 24-foot hydraulic tilting deck built on a rigid 14-pound I-beam frame with 3-inch channel cross members on 16-inch centers. This tilting deck allows you to effortlessly load medium-duty equipment and vehicles without the fatigue of lifting a heavy gate or ramps. We've also upgraded this trailer with a wireless Bluetooth remote. The remote allows you to control the tilting deck from anywhere within a 40-foot radius without the physical limitations of a corded remote. A scissor lift with a 5-inch hydraulic cylinder lifts the deck, giving us a 17-degree loading angle. The deck of the T9 is built over the wheels, giving you full access to the 102-inch wide deck without having to drive over the fenders. This is a much safer design for loading ultra-wide equipment like compact tractors. At the front, we have an HD 25,000-pound gooseneck coupler with a spare tire on top and a locking front toolbox for storing tools, chains, and straps. Adding a winch is very easy with the winch plate located above the toolbox. We've installed a winch roller at the front of the deck to keep the winch cable from chafing and damaging the deck. The T9 is available in lengths from 24-foot to 36-foot and comes standard with the rub rail and stake pockets for securing cargo and materials. With multiple axle options available, this T9 has two 7K Dexter axles with electric brakes on a spring suspension, giving us a 15,680-pound GVWR. At the rear, we have a knife-edge tail that allows the deck to lay flush on the ground. This tail design helps to give you a lower loading angle with more traction, as it eliminates the initial bump when loading that can cause wheel spin. As always, you can check out more information on this trailer by going to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks, guys.